see if we get some to buy here. Wow, check out those safu. That's Africa. I know. This guy is selling some worms. This one. You know, we eat this stuff in Nigeria.
This one is big. It's all come here. This meat for the demi. Okay. You see, I take picture is free. But you get the thing. So now you sell a pose here. Also, I want to. Oh, so good. I got beer. Oh, the one that blow a cat.
Your cat is supposed to eat. Those peppers. Man, fresh stuff. Everything is so fresh. This is the beauty of Africa. You just pull up by the roadside, you get everything. Look at this Look at watermelon. I always meet when we are going to farm. Oh, okay. Yeah. Bonjour.
It's the one Mama Angel is using to buy cement. Yes, the one is one big kind of.
Yeah, it's good. It's good. Yeah. This is cool. We are at the market. Wow. Bonjour. Wow. The truck broke down. Hey, look at that one. Man, check out all this.
Azali, le seul consolateur. Ye Azali Momo. Motomoko Soka Koti. Makambo na yo, nyoso tous les possibles.
Check out this okra. I mean, it's green like. Wow, this is our customer here, and she's frying this potato. This kitoko. These are fried sweet potato. These things are. Trust me, you taste this thing, you are tasting heaven. Wow. This man is preparing my small pier on fire. So we're going to come back and get it later. Wow. Yeah, man. This is what I'm talking about. That's mine. That's lunch today while we're in the farm. Okay, so we're back in the car, and what do you have?
Plantain.
Fried. I call them fried bole because this fried plantain is what you slice, right? This one is you fry them whole, so we call them fried bole. It's very hot, eh? I need to taste one of them. I know, right? But this is good. That was a good market, right? That's the market. Nothing more into the bush. This is my favorite place in Seoul. Every time we come here, I'm always very, very happy. All right, we are back to site. But she put in these legs with a lot of cement. Wow. So what's going on here is that they're putting up a security house. So this is where the person who is going to be watching the compound will stay. Just building a small security house, 1 bedroom, a living room, a kitchen for whoever is going to be taking care of the property. That's the whole point of this little building you are seeing here. So, and it's pretty good. And right there on the ground, we have dug a well, and so you can access water very easily from there. And it's so beautiful. I mean, I love this. This part is really nice. Right now, instead of just letting grass grow, and the lady, she lives down that way. She just came and started farming on it. They have peanuts. Let me see this. So now you can see they're planting a lot of crops here, mainly granules or peanuts and some other stuff. They have corn over there, some banana, just for temporary use. I too have brought some seeds that I brought from the US, and sweet corn and stuff like that. We're going to find a place to plant them just experimentally to see if they will grow and that kind of stuff. So that's the plan. Pretty cool place. This is what you can do in Africa. What you do in Africa. I'll be updating you guys to see how progress is. Not sure we know exactly what we're going to do. First thing is to fence around the compound and secure it. And then put security house and let someone be here. So, because what happens is you buy land, somebody else come and encroach on it. So we don't want to do that. We have some pieces of land in this area now, and we're literally going to do the same thing everywhere. Fence it around, security gate, and also maybe let somebody farm on it, or we can farm on it, and then see how it goes from there. When we leave here, we're gonna go to the other side, and that's the way it is.
1 hour later.
This is the fun part of being out in nature. This is some small pear that were roasted. It's a bomb. This is yeah, useful.
Saltfish.
Uh-huh.
You can fish it like the bull de fufu. Or the chikwang. Finish.
But idiot. I'm telling you. Use potato.
Daddy will say that's how it happens when the poor man becomes rich.
Yeah, bring your food. People are wondering, why is he eating that?
By eating like that. I look at good. No, that's a poor man.
Seriously, guys, I had to cut away from that eating scene before I choke live on my video. Seriously, guys. But trust me, that food was heavenly. So, guys, keep watching for more updates on this my bush adventure. Thank you for watching. Give us a like, subscription, and help us share this video.